If you have a dedicated email program installed on your computer, you can use the sendto command to actually attach it and send it directly from your email client. So examples would be if you have Microsoft Office 365 and you're using the Outlook component of that, Mozilla Thunderbird, Windows Live Mail, they're all dedicated email programs that actually reside on your computer. You can't use it if you're using an external email such as Windows Live Mail, Hotmail, Yahoo. They're all external mail clients and they can't be used. Although if you set them up within your dedicated emails, such as you could have Microsoft Outlook and have a Gmail account set up, that will work. But just to show you, I'm using Microsoft Office 365 and have the Outlook as a mail client. If I wanted to send this test that has a picture of the cats in, I right click, go back to the send to command and go to mail recipient. And what that happens, it just comes through and asks me what size I want the pictures. So, and then what that'll do, that'll open my email client, in this case Outlook, and it will automatically attach the pictures of the cats within that test folder to the email. It's taking a little while because I have the 5 photos and have to attach. So there you see, all of them have been attached. All I have to do now here is put the recipient in and click send.